Well, the next step would be to take 2 good pieces of parchment paper, and you can buy parchment paper, just about in any grocery store, or Sur La Table, places like that. Williams Sonoma. I think I got mine at just a local grocery store. I can't remember. But anyway, I'm going to put the disc right on here. Never mind the little bit of flour that's over there. Once again, I'm just going to crimp the edges so that they stay together when I roll them out. This is always kind of a tricky part, but don't worry too much, because if it doesn't work, you can always use your fingers. We like that. Okay, here comes the other piece. Parchment paper is great because things don't stick to it. So and you can bake on it. So that's the idea. Okay, so now I have the 2 pieces of parchment paper, and I take my rolling pin and start at the center and work your way out around in a circle. Whoop, I can see a big break. And this is where ingenuity comes in. Don't worry. Just push it back together again. Any place you see a crack, push it back together again with your hands. It's fine. It really is. People make very rustic things in this country and in Italy. I prefer rustic myself. And as I said, you can always use your fingers to straighten it out. I'm going to try to make it about a 1/4 inch thick all the way around. And don't worry about the torn edges. I make it about, let's see, you can kind of feel it and see how you're coming. But this is just about there. Okay. That's that step.